Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Accord cabin air filter. This essential maintenance task is straightforward and can be completed in about 15 minutes. You will need a new cabin air filter and possibly a small flathead screwdriver. Changing your filter regularly ensures cleaner air inside your car and helps your HVAC system run efficiently, preventing issues like reduced airflow or unpleasant odors. To begin, open your glove box and remove everything inside. Next, locate the small dampening arm on the right side of the glove box and push it down or towards the front of the vehicle to detach it. Then, gently push inward on both sides of the glove box simultaneously. This action will release the side stops, allowing the glove box to swing down fully and reveal the filter housing behind it. Once the glove box is lowered, you will see a rectangular plastic cover, which is the cabin air filter housing. Gently squeeze the clips on both sides of this cover and pull it straight off. Before removing the old filter, observe the airflow arrows printed on its frame. This is crucial for correct installation. Carefully slide out the old, dirty filter. Now, insert your new filter, ensuring the airflow arrows point in the exact same direction as the old one, typically downwards. After installing the new filter, slide the housing cover back into place, pressing firmly until the clips engage and it feels secure. Then, lift the glove box, reattaching the dampening arm and pushing the sides back into their original position until it clicks. Finally, close the glove box. Replacing your cabin air filter every 15,000 miles or once a year ensures clean, fresh air inside your Honda Accord and maintains optimal performance of your climate control system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.